of this girl is what a balloon. Let's start.
Hello, assalamu alaikum to everybody. Starting very firstly with the great name of Allah, I would like to come towards the topic in the ceremony of Aidua, like we gather sung of each other. I would like to come towards my topic, which is that what a balloon. I really like to talk about what a balloon. If I say there is a little part of a scent, when it is thrown in your eyes, it brings all circumstances different, all conditions in a different way. That you are walking in the barrel and the sand is thrown in your eyes, and then you will suddenly get into the shock of what I'm gonna do. Just blow off a air and it can blow you up. I like to talk about a simplest thing. Here in our life, we have so many small things which matters a lot. Here, whenever you will see in the history that there are so many people, there are so many great players. But when they come on playing, they think about so many things. That what they have done in their life. That for what they have come in this arena. So here, I really like to say, a balloon is the simplest thing which makes a smile on a child's face. When it is just given to child, it is like full of diamond, a necklace which is given to a lady. So she can show up in the wedding that, yeah, I have a ring, I have a golden necklace or a diamond necklace, and then everybody will be happy. Everything, every source, and every causes are different because every human philosophy, every human mind is different. So here, I really like to say that it is your business to sell out the balloons, it is your business to really sell out the happiness, or it is all on you, that what are you doing? It's your intention which makes you something. If your intentions are bad, whether you fly so higher, but you will remain like a crow, that you will go in the sky, you cannot get up to the seventh sky, and you will until remain on the first sky. So here, I really like to say, the small part of our life, a balloon is nothing when it is just blasted with a little pin, and it's smallest part. But here, I really like to say, when it comes in your life, the small thing, the small things which makes up your life, a small sand makes up the human, a small drops of water makes the ocean. And here, I really like to say that when there comes a winter and so much snowfall is there, then that time the ocean water from the above, it is frozen, not from the down, because you know how to swim down. So I really like to say, when you have a small feelings, it makes up you.
I'm very happy to listen from your mouth when you say child like a balloon when they got. But right now I'm not happy because which type of balloon we got right now I cannot explain. And you say that really you are telling us the stories of this when swords come in our eyes, we do this. But I will tell you just this. I'm not inspired by the stories. If today you came here to make your history, then I will repeat again and again. Because on that time you earned the name of champion. But today I know you will earn the name of former champion, and you will go and again take your seat. So today I will say whatever you have explained about balloon. Balloon is a simple thing. If you will pinch it, then it will burst. But I'm talking about you are just like a balloon and you know the stories of child and you will just give us. But I'm not inspired. Then you are not ready to make your story history. Then I will not report your name.
If you're talking about a former champion, so are you a Baba? Really, you are a Baba because you know the future of everybody. Thanks, that's a congratulations to you because you were a former Asian, a player, but now you are a Baba because you know about the future. Listen carefully. Here, the small stories make something. Why did you have something to ask a question? Because you were, in your mind, you were having a story of me. Must remember that because the next page, you will also learn that there was also not a former champion, but a new champion. That's also Fatma Ali. So here, I really like to say, I cannot be like a balloon. You cannot cage me in your little balloon, a little air. That here, you can cage me in red, blue, green balloon. But I am full of air and I can give you the oxygen, I can give you the nitrogen and also carbon dioxide. on the trip. That here you are discussing so many stories and except that you are saying I am here to make an history. I really like to say you are same like a brand washing machine, but that's only shout. And now kept that aside. So how much great, beautiful machine you are, but it is useless to have you and to carry you. I really like to say that the history, there is a story in the history. You need to learn some part of it. If I talk about that when you have come in this world to make a mark on this world or to just left a remark on this world that you were something, really something else, I really like to say that the history has been removed. If the new mobile comes, let's take the business example. If new mobile launch in the market, what would you say? The old one function mobile will not cost less. Of course it will cost less because here the new mobile has launched. The history has no value because if new history comes better than that, the history has been removed. I really like to say when Soviet Union, when made a Russia rocket, first time the rocket they made it and they throw it, but it did not go ahead, it did not go in the sky. The American copy it, then Chinese copy it. I really like to say that when you have a history, then make a mark on this world. Otherwise, your history will change by someone else's story.
Okay. The topic of this guy is you can tell the greatness of a man by what makes him angry.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Starting with the holy name of Allah, who is Rahman Rahim, and who is the monarch for this entire world. Then I would like to thank my parents, who born me and who nourished me. Then my teacher, who made me able in front of you. And right now, I'm going to worship among you guys. My topic is just like that. You can tell the greatness of a man by what makes you angry. If I talk about, you can tell the greatness of a man by what it makes you angry. There is just a one sense. Makes him angry. If I talk about, there is just a one sense which I am giving right now. That really, you can tell the greatness when you are saying that today I came here and I'm making myself better and I'm proving myself. That time everybody will come and say me that really this is your weakness. No, right now at this point you was weak, but I'm not here to listen them because my greatness which is made by my teacher and my parents who said me, no, you are the best. Then I'm not here to see the rest because I'm the best around in this case. That's what I'm fighting and that's the thing I'm saying. No, what makes me happy? That is the word of my parents and my teacher, and I'm not here to be angry by the words of you and by the words of this crowd who are from the rest, but I am from someone who make me this able, who make me able. That's what I'm standing here, and right now I want to give some words are coming from my heart. That 9 planets will salute my soul. The 7 wonders will be wondered over the bravery of this Pakistani lion. The 7 continents will miss this Asian tiger. You will see Tipu Sultan, Salahuddin Ayyubi and Muhammad bin Qasim inside me. Because I will swim in the ocean of pride, the devil inside of me will have died. Thank you, that's all.
You're done.
You are talking about Mr. Ayubi that I will see in you, but I see that era when it was the donkey in you. And really, you are going good. If you are talking about that I will not see the rest because someone, my inspiration, called me the best. I really like to say that. If you ask a so black person good environment. And here, having a more cost, having so much expensive than the building which is built not in the good environment. Because environment does affect. And really I like to say that environment does affect, and the angerness which you are bringing, a bad man always be angry more.
Miss Balloon, you try to make them laugh. But who laugh? I should laugh. Yeah. Miss, what are you trying to say? What I said, she called me donkey because I'm speaking right. So that is, I said, this is my greatness which I'm showing. And for what? You are making me angry. You are saying that you are donkey like this. I'm not here to listen your words, what you are going to say. But I learned whatever I'm speaking. Miss Padma, I haven't learned to stand on podium and hit out of a stadium because my shots are not medium. Miss.
If you are talking about you are standing in the stadium and then your shots are not medium, of course it is a medium. You are even not hitting the shots. Not even I call that you are in a medium because you are sitting in the chair and watching the match and clapping over that and talking about that I am playing. Oh my God, come again from the dream. Here, if you are talking about that I would not care about you, what do you say? I don't even care what do you say for me. And here, I really like to say, I am not talking about caring each other. Do you know that here, when there is any a small baby, even of a one day, even of a one sec, but with the sense of mother's love, can understand that who is my mother and who is my enemy. And that was the love which was in us. And here I really like to say, which thing is making you angry? Which thing that we are saying you that your rightness here, if you stand in the mirror and it shows you the reality, it is not the fault of the mirror, it is the fault of you. You don't want to accept it. And here I really like to say that before era, we were too much happy. We were not having a rocket. We were not having so much big plan. We were not having even, and now we don't have even 9 planets. We have 8 planets. One Pluto has already almost destroyed. And here I really like to say that now the love has disappeared because the angerness has taken the place.
Is it working? Miss, what are you saying? What I have said, that I came. Really, my mother was praying before when I reached over here. So what I'm saying, my mother and my parents and my teacher want I should be a champion. I'm not talking about the rest of, right now you are saying that if a nigga man is there, really his mother, whatever she will say, my son is beautiful. For what I am saying, my mother will say, my son can be the best among the rest. So I'm trying to make you understand and you are saying the same. The nigga people will come. Miss, what are you trying to say? If you cannot understand the gentleman answers, then you cannot give me any question because you know 6 will go out of the boundary and really this girl is standing on the boundary and out of the boundary and catching a 6. Yeah, I got it. Really, this was a shot. Miss, what I am trying to say, you are not ready to understand. Miss, right now, but some words I will also give you. How can I be ever in your favor when you will get one on your chin? You forget to win. By applying nail polish on your nails, you can make them like tiger nails. By one dialogue of Bilo, you will be down. I want you to come till next question, but not next round. Miss, you are being beaten like Khabib, but you are being beaten like Michael Johnson by Khabib. I'm not sheep. I will put you so deep.